Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Lenny Rao here from the Google Business Profile Tips and Tricks Clubhouse Room. On behalf of myself and Chris O'Connor and Alicia Maples, I'm here to shoot this video today. This is the bonus video that we were talking about in last week's Clubhouse Room. This video is meant to show you, number one, how to set up your free Google Business Profile website if you have not already done that. And then I'm going to talk through some of the strategies that we shared in that Clubhouse room. Excuse me, my eyes giving me a bit of trouble today. So here we go. Let's jump right into the video. So first things first, you need to be logged into your Google Business Profile. This is a sample profile that I'm going to be using for the sake of this video. You should be logged into your Gmail account. And then if you go to google.com/business, or you can go to google.com/local/manage, or you could even go up to this icon here beside your Gmail account and click business profile. Those are the three ways that you can get to your profile, and there's probably a couple other ways out there that you can do it as well. So first things first, log into your Gmail account, get to the screen that I'm looking at right now, which means you do what I just said, and then find your business profile. When you click into it, it will open up this view that we're looking at right now. This is the new dashboard for managing your profile. All right. Next, you're going to want to click edit profile, and then you're going to scroll down to your listing section where it says website. Here, you're going to click the pencil icon to edit. And for most people that have never set up the free Google Business Profile website, what you're going to see is if you have a website already in here, it's going to be shown in this open space. And below it, you won't have anything. It'll be a blank box. Now, in this particular example, I've already set up the free Google Business Profile website. That's why you're seeing the name that you're showing here. But let's pretend you didn't have your profile set up yet. And if you wanted to activate that profile, you would simply highlight the website here, because we want to, of course, remember what the name of it is. You would press backspace or delete to clear it out, and then you would press save. Sometimes this is approved right away. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes for Google to review your change, and then they will approve it. So let's pretend that I cleared out this website. I press save. Google will say it is reviewing it. Wait a couple minutes. You can close out this particular section. And then in a couple minutes, once that edit has been approved, you'll know it has been approved if the website disappears from your profile. But you go back to edit profile where we were initially. We're going to scroll down back to the website section. And in your example, let's say you had never set this up before, this would be blank. And below it, it would say, would you like to create the free Google Business Profile website? It wouldn't say that. It won't say those exact words. I'm paraphrasing. But that's when you click create. One button will say create. If you already have it set up here, it'll say manage. And this is how you get to go back and update it. So let's say you already had it there. Then we want to, in this case, go back and manage it to make sure that it's optimized properly, so we can get the best benefit out of the profile itself. All right. So if you've never set this up before, it's going to have a couple prompts to get you to do that. But the way that you edit this website is you just click the edit button. Once you are done, remember, anytime you make edits, anything on this website is going to translate over to the actual website itself. But when you're done, you need to make sure you press this check mark to ensure that the changes that you made, they save. If you want to look at your website real time, then you could just right click and click view site. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is an optimized Google Business Profile website. You'll see it has a business name, a keyword at the top, a brief description, and then as I scroll down, you'll see the cover image. You'll see Google Business Profile status update post. All those posts populate on this website. And then as you scroll down, you'll see reviews. These all automatically populate. This is a benefit of this website. You have a chance to put a keyword here, and then there's a significant amount of space for a description or for paragraphs of text that you can put in here. I always recommend that you put about your company, the services you offer, the locations you serve, and then name, address, phone number, website. You can put social media pages, all that kind of stuff at the bottom. Anything you upload to your Google Business Profile in terms of a gallery, that'll be shown here. And then lastly, it shows your contact information for your company. So that's how the website looks in general. Now for us, let me talk you through, if you haven't set this up, or if maybe you have previously set it up, a couple of things that you can do here. First things first, the theme. The theme determines how your website is going to look. You are limited with theme options, but you can see there are 4, 8, 10 different themes that you can choose from. Each theme changes the text and the color of the profile. All right. Now, if we click the edit section, this is what you want to optimize on the profile. The headline typically just has your company name, but you can add a dash and put your main keyword here. That's what I typically like to do on these profiles. Secondly, this is a description. Oh, I'm sorry, I skipped the headline. So let me scroll back up. Oh no, I didn't. So first things first. This is your headline. It typically starts with your company name. You can add a keyword with a dash beside it. Your description is what shows immediately under your headline. So this section right here. A lot of times Google will pre-place the keyword that is associated with your business category. So typically, I think when we first started this one, I think mine said washer and dryer repair. So I updated this to be a little bit more specific to make it say we offer same-day residential commercial washer and dryer repair services in city name and all nearby areas. Call or text the phone number today. Now the open until 8 p.m. that's automatically put there by Google. All right, moving on down. This summary section, you get quite a significant amount of space for your summary header and your summary body. This, I recommend you put in a secondary keyword with the city modifier behind it. And then for this summary body, it tells you what Google is looking for in this particular area. If you click right up here at the top, it'll tell you, it says, tell customers about the products and services that set you apart. So this is your opportunity to tell your potential customers, hey, this is who I am. This is where I'm located. This is what I offer. This is why you should choose me over other service providers, the brands you serve, areas again, and then, like I said, how to contact. This is typically how I like to structure these particular websites. So you see I link to this person's main website, their free Google Business Profile website, which is this site right here. And then I also linked out to their Facebook page. Now, if you look at the published website, this is what it looks like after you actually publish it. What you'll notice is you get 3, 6, 9 of your latest Google Business Profile posts will populate on this page. Now, the benefit of that is you're going to be able to grab the post URL for these posts, and you can right click on your mouse, go to copy link address, and you can test this out in a new browser window. All right, so you just hit enter, and this specifically brings up the post itself. All right, this brings up the URL that's tied directly to this post. This is the post URL you want to share on Facebook, Twitter, and everything else. Now, I want to show you the difference between if you were just going to Google, if somebody was visiting this company profile and they saw the latest post, typically the latest posts are showing at the bottom of the profile down here. This particular profile needs to be re-verified, so you're not seeing them at the moment. But typically the status update post would show right under the description down here. And had you clicked, if you click on just those posts, it will give you like a short link, a short post URL. Okay, let me log into the profile because I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so I don't think it's going to let me do it, unfortunately, because this profile is it needs to be re-verified. But here, let's see if I can do this. Nope, it took away my status update post. But just the takeaway here is that you always want to go to the Google Business Profile website, right click and grab the image URL, because this is the post link that provides all the power. Again, you want to make sure you test this out, and if you put it in a new window, it should bring up that particular post itself. Now, the last thing I'll tell you, anything you put in this post description, we always talk about putting a call to action button at the bottom, like you see this one says book. Anything that I link out to from this call to action button, or if I link to the actual website in the description of this post, you're going to notice this is a do follow backlink, which means you can pass power from your Google Business Profile website to anything you link out to in this post description or in the post call to action button. So the key takeaway here is always consider either using a call to action button that you could say call now, or you can put the actual website to a booking form or something that you want to link out to when people actually interact with this post. Another thing that I like to do, you'll probably notice, is I like to tag keywords or put keywords on the images with the company logo. But you don't want to use stock photos. You ideally want to use something unique that the business owner provides to you. If you do decide to use a stock photo, then you can make it unique like I've done in this particular one by adding text, changing the zoom on the image, adding the company logo. Those are things you can do to make this unique. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'd be happy to clarify anything that did not make sense. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again in our next Clubhouse room on Thursdays, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're looking for a little bit additional help, I encourage you to join our VIP Mastermind Club, where you can get access to 3 Google Business Profile experts that will help you maximize your online visibility. Again, my name is Lenny Rao from the Google Business Profile Tips and Tricks Club. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.